Step inside the International CXT 2004, and you might forget you're in a truck. The interior is luxury-focused, built with comfort and style that rivals high-end SUVs. You're greeted by massive leather seats, often power-adjustable and heated. The dashboard, clean, bold, and truck-inspired, yet with wood trim, chrome accents, and digital accessories. High-end audio systems, DVD players, and even TVs were optional in some units, turning this beast into a rolling lounge. This wasn't just about comfort, it was about identity. The buyers of CXT weren't everyday drivers. Think NFL players, musicians, celebrities, CEOs, or even ranch owners who wanted something louder than a Lamborghini, but with towing power. Some even went all out. Custom upholstery, starlight ceilings, mini fridges, business branding, and more. The cabin was a canvas for personality, not just function. The message was clear. Just because it's built like a tank doesn't mean it can't feel like a private jet inside. CXT was a symbol of wealth, power, and bold self-expression.